Welcome to the spoken tutorial on vitamin C rich uncooked recipes. This tutorial is about the preparation of some vitamin C rich recipes. Vitamin C is a water soluble vitamin. It plays a very important role in several body functions. It is required for healing of wounds and maintaining a healthy skin. It helps in fighting infections and other diseases. Vitamin C also enhances the absorption of iron in the body. Deficiency of vitamin C can result in scurvy, fatigue, low immunity, etc. So, adequate intake of vitamin C rich food in our daily diet is essential. Vitamin C is present in most of the fruits and vegetables. Citrus fruits and gooseberry are excellent sources of vitamin C. However, it gets easily destroyed by heat. For maximum benefit, it is best to take vitamin C rich food raw. In this tutorial, I will teach you some uncooked vitamin C rich recipes. Cooked vitamin C rich recipes will be explained in another tutorial. The first recipe we will see is guava chutney. To prepare this recipe, you will need 50 grams or half guava, half cup or a handful of washed coriander leaves, 3 green chilies, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, half lemon, salt to taste. Procedure: cut the guava into small pieces. Grind all the ingredients in the mixer along with the lemon juice. You can add a little water to make a smooth paste. Guava chutney is ready. 1/4 cup of this chutney will have about 110 mg of vitamin C. This chutney can also be made with other vitamin C rich fruits. For example, gooseberry, raw mango, karvanda, raw papaya, etc. Our second recipe is raw mango and peanut salad. For this you need 50 grams or 1 small raw mango, 1 gooseberry, 1 tomato, 1/4 cup or a handful of roasted peanuts, half cup or a handful of washed coriander leaves, 1 lemon, 1 green chili. Add salt according to your taste. Procedure: wash, peel and de-seed the raw mango. Finely chop the raw mango, gooseberry and tomato. In a bowl, take the chopped raw mango, gooseberry and tomato. Add peanuts, green chili, red chili powder and salt. Squeeze 1 lemon into it and mix well. Raw mango and peanut salad is ready. 1 bowl of this salad gives approximately 77 milligrams of vitamin C. Our next recipe is baby fenugreek leaves salad. For this you need 75 grams or 3 to 4 bundles of baby fenugreek leaves, 1 tablespoon fresh coconut, 1 tablespoon small yellow lentils, half tomato, 1 green chili, half lemon. You also need salt to taste. Procedure: soak small yellow lentils in water overnight. Cut 1 inch of roots of the baby fenugreek leaves and discard them. Wash the fenugreek leaves thoroughly. Place them on a clean cloth. This will absorb all the excess water from the leaves. Chop the leaves and put them in a bowl. Add chopped tomatoes and green chili. Then add chopped coconut and soaked small yellow lentils. To this add salt and lemon juice. Crush it coarsely using a mortar and pestle. Baby fenugreek leaf salad is ready. 1 bowl of this salad will give around 70 milligrams of vitamin C. Our next recipe is gooseberry pickle. To prepare this, you need 1 gooseberry, 2 to 3 green chilies, half cup or a handful of washed coriander leaves, 1 to 2 cloves of garlic, salt to taste. Procedure: deseed the gooseberry and chop it. Chop the chilies and coriander leaves. Add salt. Crush all the ingredients coarsely in a mortar and pestle. Gooseberry pickle is ready. It can be taken 1 to 2 times a day with your meals. 2 tablespoons of this pickle has about 88 milligrams of vitamin C. Moving on to our last recipe, which is cabbage salad. To prepare this salad, you need 100 grams or 1/4 cabbage, half tomato, half cup or a handful of washed coriander leaves, 1 green chili, 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of roasted and crushed peanuts. You will also need half teaspoon dry mango powder and salt to taste. Procedure: shred or chop the cabbage finely. Chop the tomato also. Take the chopped cabbage, tomato, coriander leaves and green chili in a bowl. Next, add the roasted and crushed peanuts. Now, add salt and dry mango powder. Mix everything well. Squeeze a lemon on top. Cabbage salad is ready. 1 bowl of this salad will give about 60 milligrams of vitamin C. All these recipes have a good amount of vitamin C. Try to include vitamin C rich food in your daily diet for good health. This brings us to the end of the tutorial. Thank you for joining.